¿Qué lo que con qué lo que? Welcome back to another video, and today we have some FD modification. Yeah, woo! I'm joking. I know you guys want to see the CRV, but I'm sorry guys. Again, I'm just hooked on the FD. But we're gonna get right into it. Today we have a relocating kit, and I want to give a little bit of explanation because I've seen a lot of people do different relocation kits, and I like this one. It's not leaving the engine bay, but it's more tasteful for what I'm doing for the future of the car. So let me get right into it. So as most of you know, FD battery is right there. Took it out because it is dead. So that's a big boy that I had before. A lot of people take out their batteries from here because they want a bigger intercooler if they're running V-mount, or they just don't want to see it in their space. They go right behind their passenger or driver's seat and they put it in these little cubbies. I like that idea, but it's not gonna work for what I'm doing. So because most of them cut it, I don't want to cut the beans. They're very expensive, so there's no need for me to damage a really good bin for me to continue with the project. You see what I'm saying? So with that being said, we're gonna get into the battery relocation kit here, because the V-mount that I'm gonna be running in the future is gonna be wide enough, and then this battery is gonna give me the space that I need for me to run it right here. So let me show you the little kit, and we go from there.
Alrighty boys, so here it is. This is the battery that came with the FD when it was purchased. So as you can tell, that was 30 years ago. That thing's pretty old. Extra JDM love. So we have it, we don't need it, so we gotta get rid of it. So let's just push it over here. That was the old baby, 2 weeks ago it was dead, so that's the reason we're getting rid of it. So now, this is what we're going to be putting in the FD now. Yeah, it's small, it's a motorcycle battery, but as you can see, it's going to fit for what I'm trying to do. Gives me more space for the future V-mount setup, and then as well as we got it from JP3 Motorsports. They have a lot of parts for Supras, FDs, and other vehicles that they have on their website. Check him out. He has an Instagram, again, JP Motorsports. Love him. He's not sponsored or anything. I just like the products, and I think that he's been on the market helping the community for a while. So you get a tray, you get a hook, you get all the accessories that you need to be able to connect this. It's a plug and play. This is for my trickle charger. I bought it. It's right there. I just have it on the side because I am going to loop the trickle charger down the front bumper. So when I get home, or when the car is just chilling at home for days, it's constantly charging, and I'll have to open the hood and plug it in. So I'm going to put the trickle charger cables through right here. You're not going to be able to see it, but it's going to be right there. I know it's going to be there, so it's going to be easier for me to charge the car right away when I get home, so it can stay charging when I'm not driving. And of course, I don't drive the car all the time. So let me open these packages. Let's line them up, and let's just get back to work. I got to disconnect the main wire off the... I got to find where this wire is. And then I got to find where this wire is running, and connect my new wire, and I also got to connect my ground. So we got to go from there. And yeah, let's see. Let's get to it.
All right, boys, so we've been running into some issues real quick. Where can I start? So we didn't get instructions, so we've been going as you know, little by little, step by step, but I've been figuring out as I can. So best bet is to throw in your bracket in, and as well as your battery ground. And if you see this wire right here, it runs to over here. It's gonna go to the top of the motor. That's your other engine ground. So after you get those things done, I'm gonna follow you up with this one. I have this item right here, which is for the battery, your positive fuse battery connection. So I changed the little strap from this connection right here. So before it was like so, it's like so, and now we have this. It's gonna connect straight to the battery. So I'm gonna update you guys when I figure out the next step. So let me keep going at it and we'll go from there. But I'm liking it so far. Having a little bit of headaches, but liking it. And thank you, Mario, for the
professional
light holder. You know,
holder.
We don't want the car to blow up again, right?
Nope.
All right, boys. So I have my negative connected with my this is just an extra wire that I'm running for my trickle charger, so I can have a easy plug and play. But every other wire that runs to the harness of the vehicle, I have it plugged in right there, as well as right there. So keep that in mind when you're running all these wheels. You're gonna have to let some of the stuff loose, some of the things loose, so you can be able to connect your wires in the front and in the rear, and then you can be able to play with this around a little more, because it's gonna go sideways. So just wanted to update you guys on that, and then we'll work our way to the motor so we can connect this ground, and then we have a little ground that goes over there as well. So we'll get that too. We'll get there right now, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty, boys, I'm back. Sorry about that. It's been a couple minutes, so I'm gonna break down a few things. I had my buddy Andres come over, show me his FD. We met a couple months ago, but we haven't been able to meet in person. So nice to meet you, Andres. And yeah, so let's get back to work. So right here we have the battery kit, battery relocation kit installed. You have excuse me, you have your ground, two grounds, one running to the engine. I can't put it on the block or the Dorito itself, so I put it on here because I already have a couple multiple chassis grounds on there. And then, excuse my thing, I also connected my my trickle charger adapter, so I have a real quick access to it. I just gotta finish connecting the hard mount of the fuse box right here. You guys can see that, and then we can continue with the rest. It should be done, and I get those extra few inches that the battery used to take up from me. So I love it. I love the kit, I love the quality, everything's great. Again, the only thing that I would say that I would need some work on is the instructions. He does have instructions on the website. But you know, a lot of people like to read. He has the instructions that he has is just photos, so they're great, don't get me wrong, but when you're looking at photos and you don't have exactly wording attached to the photos, you can't really find certain things or match what goes with what. But I love it. It's a very great kit. I would definitely recommend it. If you don't want to move your battery to the back of the trunk or behind your driver's seat, I definitely recommend this kit. It's very, very nice, very subtle. It's black, it goes with your car, it goes with the theme of the car, whichever you're trying to do. So it's really good. So I'm gonna connect this, and then I also have to do another chassis mount ground kit, which is gonna go right there. So I'm gonna get those things done, and then I'll get back to you guys, show you everything, and I'll do a little test. Hopefully I don't burn anything down. I'm just joking, but let's get this rolling with it. Yeah, we'll get this going. So alrighty, boys, so that will do for the video. I didn't have time to put the chassis mount in, just because I want to find the right area to put it. I can put it right in that area, but I want to put more grounds so I can have extra coverage. So just like you saw when I got the car, I had a bunch of grounds that they did over there. So car is done. I loved it. Again, we're gonna have a little disclaimer. Let me grab my light real quick. Ain't nothing wrong with the kit. I love it. Great quality, very beautiful. I love the color. Brings all the bolts, bring everything that you need. Brings his little cool cap, so everything else you have it in there. Again, I put it to my intake, so the ground, but later on I will put it to the block. I just did it like that for the time being. I love the way it is. Again, the only thing, disclaimer, the only thing that I didn't love, it didn't have instructions. Just like I mentioned earlier, I'm not going to repeat myself, but a lot of people like to read things. A lot of people like to ring things. So that's the only thing that I will say that was the negative about. Other than that, I love the kit. It was very nice. Very, very good. I enjoy it. Gives me the space that I'm looking for. So it's really nice. So guys, yeah, if you want to look at it, go on JP3 Motorsports and get that kit. I really haven't seen anybody done the kit, but if you want me to do a really deep down installation on it, I'll do it for you, because I don't see a lot of people there. But again, it's very self-explanatory, other than the little hiccups that I was running into. But nonetheless, love the kit. Very nice product, and if you're gonna get it, go ahead and get it, because you're gonna be very happy with it. Again, the kit doesn't include the battery. I just wanted to throw that in there. Doesn't include it. So if you're gonna buy it, make sure you buy the battery separate. So make sure you think about that. But guys, thank you for watching. Have a great night. If you guys need anything, let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Sorry I look ratchet today, sloppy. My baby boy didn't let me sleep last night, so your boys, I'm hurting, bro. Come on, I need some help. But anyways, thank you for watching. Have a great night, and see you guys later. What'd you say, Papa? Yeah, I'm doing a video. Where are you going? Say bye. Do like this. Do like this. Say bye. Alright, bye, little nigga.